Are you also not practicing your English these days because you are not feeling to do speaking practice with anybody? Or else any other reason can be in other person, like fear of judgment, you think your English is not good, you think you are not confident person, you don't have any partner to do a speaking practice. If any of these reason you have, and because of this reason you are not practicing, you are avoiding, so my friend, don't worry. I'm your friend Nisha, present with 7 effective techniques way of practicing English alone at home. And my friend, trust me, I am telling you, these are the 100% workable techniques way to practice your English alone. And these are not going to build only fluency, make you confident. Moreover, your pronunciation, intonations, and rhythm, and strengthen your vocabulary, grammar portion, all, all things together, you will improve if you practice your English in these 7 way. So without wasting time, I would love to talk about and share these all to you. So let's start the video. But before that, I want to wish you everyone happy Navratri. So my friend, first, technique and the way I am sharing to you, practice your English alone, and this is record yourself. Yes, record yourself every single day at least 1 minute, you know and then watch your video, see your mouth movement, your hand movement, listen your English, your pronunciation, and that's how find out if you do any mistake, you are doing any mistake, then correct them, work on them, and that's how improve your English, your pronunciation, and make yourself a confident speaker. Now let's talk about the second important techniques you can practice alone, and this is, my friend, singing song. This is interesting and fun way to practice. So in this case you have to listen song, not a whole song, just target first day first line, okay, and repeat that line, try to sing, sing, repeat, listen again and again until unless you catch the rhythm, intonation, everything as it is. And that's how, after completing first line, then go for second, third, and that's how complete the whole song. So in this way, my friend, you can practice your English interesting and fun way, and moreover this practice will, improve your fluency, intonations, pronunciation, rhythm, and everything. Now let's talk about the third important techniques, and my friend, this is, tongue twister. So do practice of tongue twister every single day. If you do this, you are going to, speak effortlessly without hesitating and stalking. So this is the best way to, remove this issue and overcome this issue. So do your practice in this way. Now I'm going to talk about the fourth important technique and way of practicing your English alone, and this is shadowing techniques. My friend, you heard me right, and you know very well what you have to do in this. How you have to pause the video, listen, repeat, and in this way do this practice. And you also are aware of this, a benefit of doing this technique, that how this is going to build and improve your fluency, your English, intonation, pronunciation. So do it, don't avoid it. This is most important for building fluency. Now I would love to talk about the next important technique, and this is, going to strengthen your vocabulary, grammar portion, educate you, and moreover, build confidence in you. So what is this technique? This technique is, reading. You have to read out loud and do practice in this way. So that's how you can do your practice, and moreover this practice will benefit you, whatever I told just few minutes ago. Now, my friend, let's talk about the next important technique, and this technique is going to train your mind to think in English. And what is this technique? In this technique, my friend, you have to describe. Now, question will arise what? So, what you have to describe: what you feel, what you think, what you see, what you do, and what you see. Whatever you see, you feel, you do, you think, just describe in word in English, and that's how train your mind to think in English, think in English directly. So that's how you will speak in English directly without translation and become a fluent speaker. So my friend, this is more effective. So don't avoid it if you really want to become a fluent speaker. Now let's talk about the last but not least, and this is also effective technique, and this is mirror technique. Yes, my friend, you heard me right, mirror technique. This technique you can't replace with any another technique, and I consider this is the best technique for making yourself, ourselves, confident. If you feel you are not confident, then do this practice. Do this technique, practice in front of the mirror every single day and watch yourself, your facial expression, hand movement, mouth movement, everything. Work on that, and in this way you are going to become a confident speaker, confident person, and also be better in explanation, in articulation. So these are the 7 effective techniques, my friend, I shared with you. Now it's in your hand. If you really want to benefit yourself all these 7 techniques, then you will have to practice these all every single day. Then it will benefit you and improve your everything: fluency, pronunciation, confidence, vocabulary, grammar, and all together. So what are you waiting and wasting your time? Start from now onwards and do it every single day. Very soon, my friend, you will see the tremendous improvement in you. So that's how, my friend, you can practice English alone and improve these all important areas, become confident fluent speaker, and don't need to worry if you don't have any partner. So my friend, this is what, and this is how you can practice alone and fulfill your dream, achieve your goal of speaking English, becoming fluent in English. So how did you like this video? If you like, then please like, share, and subscribe, and we will meet in the next video. For today, that's it. Bye bye, have a lovely day.